How to invest in BRK, this company. This is one perfect company, and this is one of my favorite company, and I think they're doing pretty well. How to buy at the very low point, like here and here, without my indicator. Today, I'm going to give you the insights. With my indicator, you know, today, I mean, as in May 2026, for super long-term opportunity, is not yet there. It's not yet there. The red is still going downward, right? But if you see the blue line and purple line, they're still going upward. It means this market cycle is not yet finished. They can have another wave up. Depends on how the charts go. But the key point is, so we don't have a buy point here. We have a sell point here because they changed the direction to downward. How to buy with indicator like YM chip entry, YM chip entry. One trick is with RSI because I see this pattern, so I want to share with you. RSI very easy. This is a free indicator, okay? So basically, if you point this line, extend to this line, these two lines make an extension, you can see we are just above this line. We not yet touch it, okay? We not yet touch it. The second point, when we are here, we don't know this is the finish of the bear market. Only YM chip entry can tell you, hey, this is the low point. Hey, this is the low point, right? But after 2 point coming out, basically it's likely this one, when they touch this one, if they serve as a support, they stop dropping. Basically, this is the low point. So this way I can share with you. So you don't need my indicator, you can do the same trick, okay? So basically, we need this to go down and they serve as support. If you have my indicator, which is easy, either the green one here, the YM chip entry, and what is important is the red line here, the YM club fast, they change to upward. This is the starting point. Okay, this is the starting point. And after that, you just hold it. This is for super long-term investment strategy. If you look at YM Big Buy here, when they change the direction, they will also change the money. So here, not yet. Not yet. Okay, so it's very clear what is going on. Another thing is, okay, now look at, do we have swing trade opportunity? Look at weekly chart. Okay, swing trade opportunity, yes, we have YM chip entry entering right now. Okay, if you don't have my indicator, you can see we are inside this triangle thing. We are inside this triangle. So they're bouncing up, bouncing down, and they are squeezing into a small area. Okay, so every time when they touch this line, this bottom line, basically they will bounce up. And every time when they touch this line, the upper line, like imagine there's a triangle, basically they bounce down. So they are squeezing into the area. Okay, so it means our profit target is getting smaller. Okay, and if you look at the periods, this is weekly chart. Periods market cycle back to 2022, 4 years ago, we have two patch of the green. Okay, so here we have only one patch. It's not necessary. It's not necessary we copy every single time because last time is only one patch. Okay, what is the strategy is if you buy here. Okay, I don't know this is one patch or two patch, so you can buy and you sell when they drop below the red if we are still under the blue. This one they did not drop below the red. Okay, and they continue to go up, they go above the blue. When they go above the blue, then you're safe. Okay, so it's very clear. So right now we have one. So right now, when they go above the red, not yet confirmed this candle, this is one of the buy point. But remember, we are still under the blue. Okay, that's why I always say myself, I like to buy when they go above the blue because it's safe to confirm. I don't need to cut loss. Okay, here is the same. We buy when they above the blue. Okay, of course it would be higher than here. the price. Yes, but I mean, higher risk, higher return, right? So you need to get a balance. What do you want? Myself, I recommend when they go above the blue, this is the first buy point. Okay, so it's very clear. This is only swing trade because it's weekly chart. This is not monthly chart. Monthly chart, this is much, you can hold for much longer. Okay, so monthly chart, we don't have a signal yet, but if you're a super long-term investor, look for this signal, the RSI, this signal. Okay, I don't know when they will touch this point, this line, so I cannot give you roughly what is the number. But you can just draw this point like here. You can, on the left side, you can click ray. Okay, so basically it's the extension, and you click this magnet. Okay, you can click strong magnet, and you click this, and you click this. Basically they will extend the line for you. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. If you want to have my indicator, you can click the link in the description. I see you next video. Bye.